Hello guys, welcome to my another video. This is Archie, your host, and you're watching me on Russell Brothers. So I have some bunch of interesting stories right now in this video. I have some great stories about Sheamus and Jeff Hardy's future rivalry. Who will be the replacement of Apollo Crews? Not only that, I have also some big story about Roman Reigns and Jon Moxley and a big complaint against WWE. So let's begin. So the first news that I'm going to start with is about Sheamus and Jeff Hardy. Those who are watching SmackDown or following SmackDown regularly on a weekly basis, we know that after the Jeff Hardy's promo is being seen on the TV, Sheamus has been attacking Michael Cole, and he is telling that the focus should be on him, not on any other superstar. So here WWE is giving us a hint that we might get to see Sheamus versus Jeff Hardy rivalry in the near future, because Jeff Hardy will be returning soon, and Sheamus is right now is showing like a tough superstar. So if Jeff Hardy versus Sheamus, those who have fight against each other during their tag team titles rivalry, will face to face each other in a singles match. So that will be an interesting one. It's not quite sure that whether their rivalry will be on the Money in the Bank pay-per-view, but definitely WWE is planning something big between Sheamus and Jeff Hardy, and I think the rivalry will be very much good. Whoever wins the match, that doesn't matter, but I think the rivalry will be very much an intense one where the Sheamus will play a very vital role. Okay, now moving on to the next news. The next news is about replacement of Apollo Crews. Today on the Raw, we have seen that during his US Championship match against Andrade, Apollo Crews injured himself, and he's been out from the men's Money in the Bank's ladder match. So who will be the replacement of Apollo Crews? See, there are many names that's been coming out, but the most common name that everybody is taking is Jinder Mahal. Jinder Mahal has returned from the injury today on Raw, and before Jinder Mahal make his return, we are hearing some news that Drew McIntyre versus Jinder Mahal will be on the future rivalry for WWE. So maybe WWE is directly not doing that, but putting him in the Money in the Bank ladder match and maybe making him a winner of that match will give a rivalry build up between Drew McIntyre and Jinder Mahal, the former member of the 3MB team. So this will be an interesting thing. Not only Jinder Mahal, Randy Orton, AJ Styles, their name has also been sound for the replacement of Apollo Crews. Andrade himself has been can make as a replacement for Apollo Crews. So let's see whoever comes, but Jinder Mahal's name is on the top of the list. Okay, now the next news. The next news is that Roman Reigns got a big support from his former brother Dean Ambrose, or right now I can say Jon Moxley. We all know that Roman Reigns, to stay with his family during this lockdown, during this pandemic situation, he make himself out from WrestleMania 36, and many have criticized him because being a big superstar, he is not quite responsible towards WWE. How can other superstars? So this kind of allegations been made for Roman Reigns, but his brother Jon Moxley, in an interview, when he was asked about Roman Reigns' decision for keeping himself out from WrestleMania, he supported Reigns and told that this is a kind of situation where everybody has a freedom to take the decision. If a person who don't want to perform, if a person wants to stay with his family, that's his decision, and it's a smart decision, because it's a personal decision and everybody has their independence in this situation. So Roman Reigns got a big support from his brother, and adding to that, Jon Moxley also told that Roman Reigns being one of the most popular faces in WWE, it's sad that he's been not in WrestleMania 36, but if he stays fit, he can give some big matches in the near future also, so there WWE can make a big money. So that's the statement from Jon Moxley, and I think Roman Reigns got a big support from him. Okay, now the final news is that a big complaint has been made against WWE. Anonymous employee has made complaint to the authority that WWE is forcing employees to come during this big lockdown situation. So we all know that WWE has been announced as an essential service, so it means that WWE will continue their shows, but this employee has complained that the authority should stop the tapings of Raw and SmackDown and also the Money in the Bank pay-per-view, because many superstars are risking their lives to perform in WWE ring. But WWE, that anonymous employee has not revealed his name because his job can be on the line. But WWE has responded in a very smart way. They told that they are not forcing anyone, everybody has their family, and if one don't want to perform, that's his choice. If somebody wants to perform, that's also his choice. But they have also mentioned that there are some of the big superstars like Drew McIntyre, Braun Strowman, Andrade, they are having a big storyline going in WWE right now, so WWE cannot let them go. But yes, the other superstar who is being involved in a minor storyline, they can have their way to home. So, and nobody will get fired due to this. So this is a big statement from WWE, and I think every employee should be happy about this. So this is a complaint made by made to WWE, and I think WWE has resolved it in a smart way. So these are the news that I wanted to share with you. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.